When I was a child, I received a gift, the knowledge of the skies above. And I sat in wonder as I looked up through eyes too hot. These light beams struck, and slowly I fell in love. They were mostly distant and dim, these pale white dots, shrouded by the bright city lights. But an image was left, a glint in my eye, these constellations joined up by the ones that lit up the night. And I caught myself staring at the beauty I'd found, and the hope of what it could be. And just as it filled the cold void of space, it filled the void in me. So as I grew in body and mind, an adventurer I wish to be. My friends pointed out that the distance was great. I carried on, convinced of my fate. I set off for my ciel étoilé. The journey was far, so I studied the stars. Met a man who told me of a light. He said, yes, my friend, it's true. It all depends on your point of view. I've proved it with experiments in my mind. I gazed at his words with skeptical eyes, 'cause I could read between the lines. If light takes time to travel through space, I knew my hope had died.